Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I will show you knit lace stitch that has only one row to repeat. Really easy and super beautiful. I'm enjoying it, and you may use it for summer tanks, summer dresses, summer bags and even hats. For this stitch you will need to cast on the number that is multiple of 4 plus 2 selvage stitches. So I cast it on 26 stitches, and now for this example I cast on 14 stitches. And let's start. The only one and single row, slip the first stitch and purl 2, 1, 2, make a yarn over and knit 2 together. That's it, and that's what we are going to repeat. Purl 2, yarn over, knit 2 together. And again, purl 2, yarn over, knit 2 together. At the end, purple the last selvage stitch. That's it, and that's what we are going to repeat again. Slip the first stitch, purl 2, and yarn over stitch with purl through the front loop, then yarn over and knit 2 together. Again, purl 2, yarn over, knit 2 together. And for the last time, purl 2, yarn over, knit 2 together, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn and let's repeat again. Let's do it once more. Slip the first stitch, purl 2, yarn over stitch, you purl through the front loop, yarn over, knit 2 together, purl 2, yarn over, knit 2 together, purl 2, yarn over and knit 2 together, and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it guys. Just repeat one row and you will get this beauty. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you're looking for more lace stitch tutorials, you may find them on my blog. Please check link down. I wish you all a good day and see you soon in my next video tutorials.